When I said short conclusion, now I must ask you for allowance, would mean another 5 minutes, huh? And we are close to 1 hour work together. So if you give me 5 minutes, would be great. And if you say, no, it's okay for me, I've been doing such a lot, that's even as good as well, because then you are already happy and satisfied. Okay, for those of you who want to go on with me, just to touch something where we in a way stand in. Is that I would like to look a little bit deeper or differently on my way on the gesture of the letter T. And if you do the T as you know it, or you might know it, or some of you might know it, it's just lifting the arms. And then in a great bow, you collect everything which is nice around you, all forces of love and warmth. And you create, and the back of the fingers touch, and you nearly touch your hair or nearly the skull. And from there, you have an energy which really goes down into your heart. And then you let go. This gesture is known nowadays by many who make this heart gesture, and they also make it around the head. It's just taking the head in your heart. Exactly what Rudolf Steiner suggested to us. And now, what I would like you to ask is, just do it with one arm now. And use this energy and try to create gentle energy carrying your arm up. It's just bringing it up. And then feel that in your center, countercurrent comes down and brings the hands down. And now try to create this upstreaming quality out there and to deepen the experience of coming down in your center to your heart, or maybe even to your feet. So, just go up there, and your arms feel the streaming up, and your fingertips feel the countercurrent. And can you strengthen the current down to your heart by streaming up a little bit more? And then let go. And for those of you who have pain in the arms, just don't push you too hard. Invent a different gesture that it's a smaller T gesture, which maybe does not touch the head, but touches the heart. But the idea stays the same, that the upstreaming creates that something higher can come down and penetrate me. Yeah? This is the key for what's happening. Yeah? It's a little bit Witzen. I just noticed it's a little bit a theme of Witzen in it. But we are not playing it, we are not acting it. It's just a coincidence. It's just a T. So, just with one arm, maybe you don't even need the help of the other hand. Just stream up, carry your arm up. Feel the counter current. And now strengthen the streaming up out there to intensify the streaming down in you. A little bit more. And just feel this coming down. And then let go. And let your breath react. We now do it with two arms, and one arm can perhaps do it better than the other one, and so they can easily help each other. They are friends. And it's not possible that they can do it the same way. One always can do something better than the other one. Then we let the arms sink down, we keep the energy, and then we form the O gesture. Now we can just follow me into the O gesture, because we do it only once afterwards. In this O gesture can have so many aspects. But for the moment, let's do it as this would be a sort of tympanum, yeah? When you listen to something, and that we use this like an ear to feel the echo of what we have been doing here, what we have experienced here. So when you do the O, we just, what's the echo? How does it resound in this realm? Yeah, that's like an eardrum for ourselves. Yeah, let's do this O gesture as if it would be a tympanum through which we can hear into our depth. Listen to the echo of the first part. That's all. Just let it stream upwards. Receive what's coming down as an answer. Reinforce it a little bit by streaming upwards even more, that you can touch you inwardly. Let go, open up. Slowly let go and give it to the earth. Slowly create the O gesture. And now take some time to really listen into this tympanum, to listen into your O, and to search for the echo in your depth. The echo of it, the first part. Slowly let go. Let your breath react. Sit down for another minute or two and let just the waves of what we have been doing run across the sea. Wait if they come back. Perceive the mood of your body. Does your body like what we've been doing?